We learned that there was a lot of interest in the company for people who just wanted to learn how to code.
My first exposure to coding was through a group just like this with other folks who were also new, but having that face-to-face interaction with an instructor, for me, worked really well. So I wanted to bring that here to Cherwell.
Matt and I both have a passion for teaching people who want to learn. I have a background in teaching. I taught at UCCS here.
And so we thought that it would be a good idea to create this group called Learn to Code, and people with no coding experience could join it, and we could teach them from the very beginning, the most basic aspects of coding and programming. It's really fun to see people getting into coding for the first time and just seeing how enthusiastic they are when they write their first program and it works and stuff happens on the screen. They're like, oh, I did that.
One of my passions is providing access to education. So something that I'm doing outside of Cherwell is I helped start Women in Tech Southern Colorado. And something that we're hoping to do as we continue to expand that group is provide more workshops like this to women in our community who are looking to expand their skill sets. So this has been a good guinea pig to learn about how we can most effectively do that in our Women in Tech group.
If people go back to their desks and decide, I can write a program to help me accomplish what I have on my plate today, that would be fantastic.